First time I saw the R15, I was immediately reminded of the R6. And that's pretty much what we tried to play on when we created the kit, the R15-6. There was a company in Indonesia, thankfully, that had already done something similar and created a kit that was inspired from the R6. What we wanted to do was not create a direct replica. We wanted to stay true to what the R15 was. It was a bike that was used by people for everyday commutes, but it also got them inspired enough to go and hit the track. So we had to keep performance and the agility of the motorcycle in consideration and make sure that it didn't get messed up. The R15 for the enthusiast is definitely an inspiring motorcycle, and we wanted to make it even more inspiring, but at the same time crucially not going over the top and remembering that it's an R15 on the inside. We make these kits not for people to go out and say, hey, look at my R6, but we make these kits for those kind of people who are going to ride their motorcycle, feel inspired to one day actually get that R6. One such inspired customer that we got was Asif from Bombay, who was obviously inspired from Valentino Rossi, specifically from the time when he was with the Fiat Yamaha team. So out came the masking tips and Navinder was at it for 3 or 4 days. Poor guy didn't get any sleep. But that's usually the case when we do like a race theme or any intricate paint job. But with an inspired, happy customer, the effort that comes with going out of stock always seems worth it.